All you people able to compile, execute, run? Any of you are facing problems? What is the problem? Open Notepad, type Java program, class, first program, public static void main of string array args, open bracket, close bracket. Inside main method, I need to type system.out.println double quotes hi. So here system S capital letter, it's a predefined class. Java is case sensitive. Java is case sensitive. If you created some name with a capital letter, you must use with capital letter only. If you created with some name with small letter, you must use it small letter only. System is a predefined class. S is capital letter, so you must also type capital letter only. String S is a capital letter, created with a capital letter, you must also create it with a capital letter only. Okay, and all these words are small letters. And first program, here we are creating, you can create with F1P small letter, no problem. Okay, you can create however you want, but as per recommendation, it is a name should be in title case, F1P must be capital letter. In your academics, you have learned Java program must be saved with what you call class name, but not required. As per syntax, not required. You can take with capital letter or small letter, your wish. Now for saving purpose, I am choosing my own name, 01 core Java and 01 Java basics. And here I am saving this program with the name example.java. Okay, example.java. Now go to command prompt. Where is that? F5. Core Java, Java basics, example.java. So now I have to open command prompt. Okay, press start button and open CMD. Now, yesterday some students are directly typing Java C example.java and they are complaining me saying that, sir, program not running. Yeah, what is the effort you are putting to know why program is not running? Just read error. Without reading error, how can you question me? How can you contact me? File not found is a simple English, na? Very, very simple English. File not found, example.java. Example.java file is not found where? Here. Not found where? Question it. Try to talk yourself. Okay. Compiler software is clearly telling that example.java file is not found. Ask a question, where? Here in this path. Oh, where this path is available? D drive. I clearly given a notes. What are the steps you are to do? Clearly given notes. I don't know why you are not following the notes. And now after opening command prompt, you have to change the drive, D colon. After changing drive, again people are trying to type here example.java and they are telling me, sir, it is not working. How it will work? Again error coming, example.java is not found where? In a D drive. Where it is available? 01 Java basics 01 01 what do you call sorry 01 core Java, 01 core Java, 01 Java basics. Okay. And now if you run here, you will get error. System cannot find the path specified or internal external command. Okay, 01 Java basics is not recognized as an internal or external command will come. Read it. Okay, there is a mistake. Whenever you are getting error in typing, some mistake is there. What I missed it, go to notes, look at the notes. I given CD space. You have not given, oh, CD is missing. Okay, now I need to write CD. Why you are that much lazy? Look into notes properly, like given notes also. Now it will work. Now type Java C example.java. Now scroll it down and you see the folder background what is happening. Whenever you are compiling, you have to observe the background screen what is happening. Background, look at there. First program dot class file created, execute Java first program and we'll get output high. Okay, this is what you need to do clearly. Okay, got clarity? Yeah? Now, I want you to develop one more program, right? Program number 2. All the people you have to do now. All the people have to do now. Clearly, all steps you have to write. Step number 1, step number 2, step number 3, open notepad. Step number 1, open notepad. Step number 2, type below program. Step number 3, save this program with the name. Step number 4, open command prompt and compile it. Okay, then in command prompt, draw the command prompt. Clearly you draw. Okay, here C:/HK will come. Now we have to change the drive. D:, change the directory, CD. Like that, each and every point you write. If you don't practice each and every point, you cannot write the code, right? Program number 2, develop a program to print your name on console. Develop a program to print your name on console. Now I'm expecting all the people to develop step by step. Please try to write every step by step, step 1, step 2, step 3, everything, okay? Tell me what the name of the class you are choosing. What is the name you choosing? You can choose any name, but the name should be meaningful. In this program, I am displaying name. I am printing name. So I want to take name printer. Can I? Can I take the class name as name printer? Name, class, name printer. Then inside this, I'm writing public static void main of string array args. Open bracket, close bracket. Now, inside this program, I am writing system.out.println of double quotes Now my name I'm displaying Hari Krishna. Save this program with the name. You can choose any name, but I am writing now with the same name. Name printer.java. Okay. Name printer.java. Save. Okay. Then next step what? Step number 3. Save above program with the name printer.java in d:/01 core java /01 java basics. Then next step number 4. Now what to do? Open command prompt and change path to d:/01 core java /01 java basics. Then next step number 5. Step number 5. Step number 5. Compile it by using javac command. And execute it by using java command. And now this is the command prompt path. By default will open c:/ what do you call users /hk. Now you have to change to D drive first, then change to cd space 01 core java /01 java basics. Then you will get d:/01 core java /01 java basics. Then type javac name printer.java. Now you have to type all these points in your notes. Okay, then you will get name printer.class. Okay, you have to type all these things. Then only you will understand, you will remember what is happening background in the system. In interview room, you can do correctly. Then class name printer, and will get output hi. Okay, this is what I expected you to write code. Are you able to write same way? Output is Hari Krishna, sorry. After saving, open command prompt, D drive, cd 01 core java /java basics, javac name printer.java, java name printer. Output coming Hari Krishna. Okay, clear? Next, write down next program number 3. Develop a program to display name in stars as shown below. My name is Hari Krishna. I want to display my name in star. I want to get star in oval shape like this. So this is how I want output. All people try. My intention behind giving this program is for knowing you that as many as many statements you want to print, as many lines you want to print, those many SOPLNs you have to use. How many statements you need to print now? 3 lines you have to print. So 3 SOPLNs you have to write. Okay. Now what is the name of the class you have taken? Name in stars. Can I write like this? Name in stars. Class name in stars. Public static void main of string array args, open bracket, closed bracket. Inside main method, now I'm going to write here system dot out dot println. What first line you want to display? Double quotes, 1 2 3 4 stars you have to write. Second line what? Second line what? System dot out dot println, double quotes. What do you write now? Hari Krishna. I told you first star and last star also should be there. Okay. Again you write system dot out dot println of double quotes. What do you write now? Stars. And now I am saving with the name in stars dot Java. Okay. Then now open command prompt, compile it, Java C, name in stars dot Java, compile successfully. That's what I am telling. Whenever you are writing code, you should not blindly should not write code. What is the output you want? I want output in vowel shape. I want output in vowel shape. Is your program display output in vowel shape? That's what. When you are writing program, your expected output will come or not, that idea should be there in your mind. Are you catching my point? When you are writing program, is my program will give the vowel shape or not? And Hari Krishna must be surrounded by how many stars? Okay. How many stars I require to surround? All these calculations you have to do. Blindly should not write code. Okay. Now I know some syntax. Let me write. I should not write. Plan is very important. Now Hari Krishna, you written code, and now you are surrounding here with what stars? Vowel shape means here I need stars with what? Space. That idea should come. Space here, space here. And then next, how many stars I need to surround? As many characters as we have. How many characters are there? 12 characters. Now tell me, here 12 stars I have to place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now here also I place 12. Save it, go down, compile it and execute it. Look at there, expected whole shape is coming or not? So when you are writing program, each and every character you should pronounce, each and every word you should pronounce. You must look at the program like compiler software and JVM software. The program you have written is going to read by compiler. The program have written is going to read by JVM. So compiler will throw error if you perform any typing mistakes. He typed yes and throw error, and now he posting that error to me saying that Hari, you solved my error. Then what the effort you are putting to understand Java? Okay, in future coming errors in company, who will solve? Will I solve? So you have to bend your body and bend your brain, and then you have to look what is the problem. Compiler clearly telling that cannot find symbol strings. Oh, the name is string, not strings, right? That idea should come. How that idea will come? When you are not depending on me. If you depend on me, lot of problems will come. Are you catching my point? So everybody got clarity how to write program? Ready to develop one more program? Are you able to compile it? Here in this program, I want you to understand 2 points. Point number 1, space. Point number 2, 3 SOPLNs. Okay? Write down one more program. Write down. Program number 4. Develop a program to display the name Hari Krishna in 2 different lines. 2 different lines. 2 different lines ante 2 SOPLNs. System.out.println Hari, system.out.println Krishna. But by using single SOPLN statement. I want to use single SOPLN statement. I want you use a single SOPLN statement. And I want to display Hari Krishna in 2 different lines. IT background students, I hope you can answer. Non-IT background student, you need to understand here. Observe. Input is what? Input of this program is Hari Krishna. Then output I want as in one line Hari, in the next line I want Krishna. Okay? Yeah, you must use a special character called /n. You must use new line character here. Okay? Let me write a program. Open Notepad. Non-IT background students. Class. What the program name? Name in 2 lines. Open bracket, close bracket. Name in 2 lines. Public, static, void main of string array args. Open bracket, close bracket. Inside main method, you are writing system.out.println of double quotes. What I need to write? Hari Krishna. If I write Hari Krishna, then what happen? As it is displayed, right? Go to command prompt, clear screen, Java C, name in 2 lines.java, compile and execute as it is displayed. But I want Krishna in the next line. For that purpose, you have to write some special character called /n. What we call it as? This /n is called as escape sequence character. Okay, /n is called escape sequence character. You catch my point? /n is called escape sequence character, new line character. New line character, escape sequence character, new line character. Okay. Then now look at there. Clear screen, compile it and execute. Look at there, getting output Hari Krishna. Okay, now? So you're getting Hari Krishna in 2 lines. Everyone understand? So what is the new point you discussed about? /n. /n is called escape sequence character, new line character. New line escape sequence character. Okay. Come on, try to write one more program. Last program for today class. Program number 5. Develop a program to display name Hari in the below pattern. Input HARI. Okay, input is HARI. Okay, na HARI. Then output I want H and A and R and I want like this. Okay, na steps order I want, steps pattern I want. So how many characters you have to display? 4. That means 4 what do you call 4 SOPLNs you have to use. 4 SOPLNs when you run, I must get program like this HARI. Try. Pranita, can you please unmute? Pranita.
Yes, sir.
What do you want to do, Amma?
It's not executing, sir.
వినిపించడా కొంచెం పెద్ద మాట్లాడు.
Execute కావట్లేదు, sir.
అరే తెలుగు వారు హిందీ? తెలుగేనా?
తెలుగు.
ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేద్దాం అనుకున్నావు అక్కడ? జావాసి ఎగ్జాంపుల్ డాట్ జావా ఎందుకు రాసావు? కంపైల్ చేయడానికి అనేగా.
అవును.
తర్వాత ఏం చేయాలి? ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయాలి కదా. ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయడానికి కమాండ్ ఏంటి? అది చూడు ఒకసారి, నోట్స్ ఓపెన్ చేసి చూడు. నేనేం చెప్పాను, నువ్వేం చేస్తున్నావు చెక్ చేసుకుంటే నీకు అర్థమవుతుంది. Here, what I want observe? What I want observe? I want space. Again, I want space. Again, I want space. You want space as zigzag way or equal? You want space here 1, 2, 3. Equally I want, right? Increment, equal increment I want. There are 2 ways of providing spaces. Number 1, with space bar you can provide, or you can use /t. Like /n, we have /t. Okay. Another escape sequence character. /n is one escape sequence character. I have another escape sequence character called /t. Okay, look at their program. I want read class name pattern. What the time? Hey. Name pattern public static void main of string array args open bracket closed bracket. What do you write? System dot out dot println of double quotes h. Copy paste /t a. Again /t, one more /t r. /t I. Okay, like this if you write program, you will get equal numbers. So my intention of teaching you these programs, I want you understand a concept called what? Escape sequence characters. Every day in the coming classes, I'm going to use escape sequence characters. Java C name pattern. Look at that. ABC coming equal distance. Right? So this is the story about today class. And tomorrow we are going to discuss about more points. And people who are facing